is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day and taking care of yourselves, guys. Please wash your hands frequently and stay home. On today's video, I'm gonna make a recipe as a request from a subscriber. I'll be making home fries with onions. I attempt to read messages from my subscribers, so if there is something you would like me to make, I'll make it Mama Bee's way. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. For the ingredients, you will need 3 peeled and washed roasted potatoes, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, onions. I chop them like, let me say maybe 1 inch thick. Let me show you guys how I cut them. So this is the onion. I just cut in half like so, then cut again in thirds like so. And this is the thickness we are looking for. Now let's move on to cut our potatoes. Cut the potato in half and cut it in half again. Then cut into 1/2 inch cubes. Okay, this is the thickness I'm looking for, guys. Over a medium-high heat, I have a pan with vegetable oil and butter. Add the potatoes. Give it a shake. Make sure, guys, you space them so they can cook evenly. I'm gonna let them go for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now we're gonna flip the potatoes. Reduce to medium heat. Add some salt. Black pepper. Paprika, not a lot, guys, just to give it a color. Then using my wooden spoon, I'm gonna mix everything again together. Mix, mix, mix. We have to keep tossing them. And cover the pan with the lid. So by covering our potatoes, it allows them to cook through, and also during the 10 minutes of cooking, remove the lid, flip the potatoes, stir them occasionally until they are brown on all sides. I'm gonna remove the lid. It's been 10 minutes, now it's time to add onions. Allow the onions to cook for another 3 minutes. Keep stirring the onions and the potatoes so they don't burn. Take 1 potato and taste for the salt. Okay. Tastes good. And our home fries are done. You have it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bee's Kitchen. Please subscribe. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.